So it can be a problematic thing while working in any of the sections. You can write like this. This is the one example. Then second one, we can go to the second, paired choice. This topic is very important and obvious choice of the examiners. Paired choice. What is this paired choice? Whether you want to work alone or whether you want to pair with someone to complete your task or to complete your work. It is also part of debate, it is also part of discussion. Some of can say, you can say radically that I can work alone and I can complete my work very easily as I am multitasking. That can be your answer. But if you want to go to the second opinion, that is work together. So work together is always the supplementary to your motivation. Remember this. Just while going to the gym, you want that motivation from that your colleague or your friend. So working together doesn't mean every time that earning money is that particular task. So it can be your answer that you can work alone or work together with anyone. There are some loopholes, there are some disadvantages while working together. You can say that while taking the decisions, my decisions are always crossed by my mind. That can be the problem. So is it necessary to work alone? It's your part, it's your answer, it can be your response. Remember that. Then the third one is agree or disagree. Once again the passage will be given on the screen, and obviously I have forgot to tell you, while giving this paired choice, obviously they give a passage regarding this also, with topic, with subtopics, with headings, and after reading that paragraph or that passage, you will have to give the answer whether it is easy to work alone or work together. So it is very important to have your what we can say the decision regarding your opinion. Remember this thing. Remember, some poets say that when I sit under a tree or just beside my window, I have lots of ideas regarding my poetry or my songs. But remember that thing on the contrary, that each and every musician in India has the pair. They are not alone. 90% of the music in India in the film industry were given by those musicians which were in pair. So, is it the alone work or the paired work? That is important thing. So, you will have to keep your understanding, keep your radical suggestions regarding that and give your opinion. It must be clear and precise, not consist of superfluous words, that is repeated words. The third section is agree or disagree. Once again the passage will be given on the screen and a particular point, particular situation will be given to you, and after that you will have to decide whether you are agree or not. Again your answer should be precise. Don't give the answers like up to 50% I am agree, and rather 40% or 60 to 40 ratio I can agree or disagree. These kind of sentences, don't please write or what we can say give opinions about these kind of answers. Just for the sake of example, they can ask you regular homework and discipline is necessary for the students or not. That can be. Once again, a number of issues can be discussed, and one of them can be this. Is it above burden, or it can be a regular hard work or consistency or determination, what we can say. That is, please give a radical answer, your opinion regarding that. So if I want to agree with this statement, then what will be my answers? I must say that consistency, then regularity, then discipline is must among the students. one thing that you study in the class for 1 to 2 hours must be repeated for the revision in your house. That can be the one point. And the second one, obviously, you will take, not necessarily, but you will take the help of your parents and the bonding with the parent just because of this homework will be binded altogether. That can be the point, that can be your answer. You can again, I must say, according to your creativity, according to your what you can say, the affirmations, you can give the answers, and obviously you will have to write all those answers there. Then the another one, that is campus related questions were given. It is also subdivided into 3 sections. Campus related questions will be given, and you will have to read the passage carefully and answer the questions related to that. Your answers must be based on the social issues, the problems and the solutions of those answers. Just for the example, if the passage regarding archaeology or archaeologist will be given to you, what your answer may consist, that I don't have any study regarding archaeology, so there is no need, or I can't give the answer regarding archaeology as it is not my subject and I haven't any details regarding archaeology. These kind of questions or the answers can hamper your